Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 1050 Ramsgate Court in Sterling, Virginia. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home for sale. So I want to show around a little bit around the area. You do have parking in the parking lot over here. There's also street parking. You can see behind the trees. Also, just for reference, it's the 2 floors that are for sale. The lower level is a separate unit that is not part of the transaction. And let me show you around. Okay, we've got the flooring, the wood flooring throughout most of the home. Also, foyer area. Now you do have a coat closet when you come in. I'll just show that. Cool thing about this coat closet as well is that you have some options for storage. So shoes, other miscellaneous things. You have room. Come through here. Dining room. Or you could use this as a breakfast nook. There's a lot of different options you could just options you could do at this place. Updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Your laundry is in the kitchen as well. And then the quartz countertops. I'm doing an open house here, so don't mind my stuff being in there. And then the living room. Now you could use this as a living room, dining room combo, or you could just make this the living room. Just really whatever your imagination says. Let me show you the rest. Over here. Now I do have to apologize. The acorn tree has been feeling the need to give us some acorns. And I forgot to bring my broom with me. Actually, let me just show you around a little bit. Now here we have the front door again. You do have a half bathroom here. And this is utility closet, HVAC system, hot water heater. And yeah, whenever I do one of these videos, I immediately throw my shoes off behind me as soon as I walk into the place. I don't want to track any dirt. And the shoes can go flying anywhere. So we're going to head up the stairs. And have the wood flooring throughout here as well. Your linen closet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the smallest bedroom and work my way around. Though, this bedroom has quite a bit, well, honestly, I was surprised at how much closet space was in here. So you have this. And then you go into here, you have this walk-in closet. So, and the cool thing about this is all adjustable. So you can have it the way you need it. What I find really cool is that the owner tried to maximize the space. And then, second bedroom. Same thing in here. Now, it doesn't have as much versatility as the other closet space, as in you can customize it, but you do have space for, depending on what you want to hang up, show the bar here, and then extra storage in here. So while it doesn't have the versatility, it has more room for more storage. And then you do have an attic, little crawl space, your full bathroom. And then in here, Close this door to get a better view. And also, I've said this in some of the other videos, love these spaces in the showers. As someone once said, it's a great home for potions and lotions. And then we're going to go into the primary bedroom. And the cool thing about the bathroom is that it is off the bedroom. So you can just go through here, but if you have visitors, you can just close these doors and they're not gonna go into your room. So your privacy will still be respected. And then also for this closet as well. Again, I appreciate the creativity, the versatility that this offers. Again, extra storage space so that you can, whatever you may need. Anyways, if you are interested, my information is in the bottom of the video. Feel free to reach out. We can set up a showing. Also, if you have an agent, have them reach out to us. We'll set up showings as well. But thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.